Hello! It is the first vlog of 2024 that is not holiday themed. I went to see my friends down in Massachusetts. We went to Salem. We went to the Peabody Essex Museum. And then up in Maine, I went to Costco. We have a brand new Costco in Maine. It's the first Costco in Maine. And I wore my Canuck Kirkland sweater that my husband got me. And we also went and had some yummy lunch, which you'll see. And then there'll be some snow. It's snowing today. I wanted to take you out with me to see the snow because it's literally just so serene and beautiful. So you're going to come along with me for that. It's nice to be back from the holidays, back into the swing of things. I am very much looking forward to showing you Maine in the wintertime. Hopefully I get to take y'all snowshoeing with me soon and see the puppies in the snow. So hopefully you get to see that soon. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye! It's another weekend with me, Lemmy, doing fun stuff around the house. We're gonna try to hang up a bunch of art. We're gonna try to crochet. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a chill weekend. Thanks for coming along. And I'll see you later. I'll see you in a little bit. Enjoy. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey, hi. What are you doing? You being mischievous? Can I see actually? Can you move your hand?
Alright, I got it.
Thank you. Okay.
Ta-da!
No. This will be level or not.
Looks great.
How's it look?
Looks really good.
Bisexual energy!
Is that what the hydrangea means?
Yeah, it says on the thing.
Oh.
See? Hydrangea, bisexuality, gender fluidity.
Nice.
Hello. Thanks for coming along while we hung up pictures in our house. It only took us 3 years to get it done. I'll hang up the rest in another 3 years. Next, we've got some fun bread making and just chilling on a nice Sunday. So I hope you enjoy that. And I'll see you in a bit.
Or not, so I might have to pick that up the next time I go to Mochi. Now I want to share with you some other things I got recently. So these are all the Odd Rabbit sticker sheets. I would highly recommend you give her a follow. Her work is just so incredible, and if you cannot tell, I am a massive fan. This one's super cute. They're just also colorful, and I really love her style. There's just such a charming traditional art quality in her work. And as a digital artist, I'm always trying to so envious of that kind of look, I guess, and all these beautiful textures. And the sticker sheets are so cool too. They have I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but there's this sparkle effect to them, which is so fun. This I got the other day when I went to Nico Neko Zakaya. I just think it's so fun. It just has that traditional art, wonderful look. I want to start incorporating it into my own work because my work is very visual looking, and I just love looking at traditional textures. It's such a distinct pain that comes when using stickers. So I'm always so sad when I use the stamps. I can keep using this forever, which I really like the concept of. And then I have been waiting for this because I've seen Mona and Bear have some really cool stickers, but these are the next 3 I got. Oh, and lastly, here is a bunch of stickers we're going to be working with today. If you didn't know, I have been using this This is good for now. I'm gonna write in the text there.
Yeah. So big now.
I also like to bling. I don't know why I like that so much. I'll draw like a little tomato or something because my sister made a tomato eggplant dish, so I think that could be cute. That makes me like perform, I guess. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out. Please let me know.
Nice. Woo. We got some bread, folks. Hi again. Thanks for joining me on my chill January days that I filmed. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun and relaxing. And I hope you're taking time for yourself to just chill out, calm down, rest. The winter is a hibernation time and we should take advantage of that. So I hope you're resting. Let me know what you're doing for fun in the winter months in the comments below. I'd love to hear. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good rest of your January. Bye!